Pookabears, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a spring makeup look. We're going to get this look right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, I hope everyone is staying safe, first of all, in quarantine right now, and I hope you're staying home. But if you want to see how I got this spring look, please keep watching. Alright, so we are going to get right into this spring makeup look. So I already have my foundation on. I put concealer. I will link everything that I already used on my face down below. My eyebrows are already on, so now what we're gonna do is take my Dot Beauty Blender and I'm gonna dip it into my Mercier. Hold on. My Mercier setting powder, and it is the translucent one, right? And I'm just gonna set underneath the eyes. Okay, so after we do the setting powder, what I want to do is just jump straight into the eyes. So what we're gonna do on the eyes is I'm gonna actually use my Huda beauty palette, the nude one, and this is what it looks like. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this color Bear right here, and we are gonna put that on the lid. So, okay, so after I put that Bear color on and have it set, what I wanna do is I wanna take a fluffier brush, something like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it on my transition shade right there in the crease. So I'm gonna take this color right here, Play, right there. And I'm gonna use that on my crease. I'm also gonna take this color Tickle right here, and I'm also gonna use that in the crease, and I'm gonna mix it with Secret as well. This color, Secret. So mix Tickle and Secret, tap it, and again we're gonna put this onto the crease. All right, so now that we have that color, we are going to use a more tapered brush, and I want you to dig into Teddy, and we're going to use Teddy right on the outer portion of your lid and into the crease, and you want to use a light hand when you're doing this. All right. We just talk about how amazing this palette is. You're gonna love this palette. I've made like already a couple of my friends buy this palette. It's so awesome. Ooh, how nice does that look, right? So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my all-time favorite color. It's called Crave. It is this gorgeous color right here on top. And it has like gold flecks in it and like pink flecks. It is so beautiful. So we're gonna use that, and we're just gonna put that right there on the base. Oh, there's Nemo. Those of you who don't know Nemo, you know him now. My little Jack Russell. Nemo, do you want to say hi to my followers? Come here. And then I'm going to take that same brush that I used before, and I kind of want to just blend it out. Like so. Ooh, she is coming to life. Come here, baby. Oh, honey bun. You behaving? Who are you barking at? What are you barking at? Okay. Alright. So now that we have that color on, what I want to do now is do my liner. I'm going to use this Kat Von D tattoo liner in shade Trooper. And I'm gonna put my eyeliner on. So what movies have you guys been watching too? Anything like on Netflix? Has anybody seen The Tiger King? Everyone's like talking about that. I haven't. I started watching it. I didn't finish, but I heard it's like really good. So I might have to like watch that. Okay, so now that I have my eyeliner on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my eyelashes on and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my lashes and I also put on my mascara too. I will link what I used below. This white eyeliner from MAC called Fascinating. And we're going to put this inside of your waterline. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take Secret and Tickle from the palette, the Huda Beauty palette, and we're gonna literally put that right under the eye. And then I'm gonna take Teddy again. And I'm just going to bring that right over here. Kind of build that out. Like that. Then what I'm going to do is take Crave, the nice sparkly color. And we are going to put that in the inner part of the eye. Like so. And even in your tear duct. Like that. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. So now what we want to do is take all the bake off. The excess bake. Take it off. Not take it off, but kind of like dust it lightly. Okay guys, then I'll take my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. And I'm going to take this color right here, Lyric. It's the one on top in the middle. And I'm going to put this right onto my eyes. And this is, I'm going to use this as a brightener. Right in there. Doop, doop, doop. Right on the other side. Doop, doop, doop. You could already see how much it just already brightened under my eyes. I love doing this. I'm going to do my forehead. Remember, all the areas that you want to brighten. And put some here. A little bit there. And I'll take a little brush and do it right down the middle of my nose. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna take the darker shade right under it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna carve out these cheekbones. I really don't contour that much, but I do like a little bit of contour. So I just use the powders. So I don't like to do the most. Do my forehead. I really have a big head. Actually, somebody just posted on my Facebook page, you have a big ass head. I'm like, wow, how rude. So anyways, I think people with big foreheads are beautiful. So don't ever let anybody bully you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. This brush is actually really cool. It's a Morphe brush M3. It's for contouring the nose. And what we're going to do is take that contour and we're going to go right down the sides of the nose to create an illusion. So always blend up. You don't want to blend down because it's going to make it look like you have a midnight shadow. And you don't want that. You're going to take it down to your jawline. Blend that out. Do the same thing on the other side. Blend up. All the way down And you want to do your forehead. Like that. And then we're going to blend the nose. Blend it as much as possible. And I like to blend it underneath the eyebrow bone. That. Ooh, she is snatched. There she is. Now I like to warm up the face with my bronzer. I use the Marc Jacobs palette. This one right here, the pan is huge. It is called Tantric. Look at that pan. Woo! Sick. Huge. I'm gonna take my brush, and this is gonna warm up the face after you put that contour. And you're just gonna do everything that you just contoured just to kind of bronze up the face. And then I kind of like to do it all over a little bit, but not too much. Coming to life. Do you see the vision? My little headband. Okay, so now we're gonna put blush on. The blush that I'm gonna be using today is gonna be my NARS Orgasm. And now we're gonna highlight. So I like to use this Becca opal shade right here. It is beautiful. I use this every day, pretty much. You can tell this is almost gone. Can you see that? Crazy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some right here. Ooh. Do you see that glow? Do you see it? And then I'm gonna take a different brush and use it to go down the middle of my nose. Kind of like a little exclamation point. And then I do like to take a little bit and put it also in my tear duct to really give it a really nice look, and underneath the brow bone, like so. Alright, so we are going to do the lips. So I'm going to use this color Nude-ist from Marc Jacobs, and we're just going to line the lips with it. And I'm also going to take this Marc Jacobs Slow Burn color. I love mixing lipsticks together. And liners. Like so. And we're going to use this color from Dominique Cosmetics. It's called Nude Kiss. I actually just got this. Let's see if we like it. I like it. And then we're gonna put some gloss right there in the middle. This is from Lauder. It's called Taupe-less. The Goldlite Prep and Prime from MAC. Looks like this. And this is just gonna melt everything into the skin. This looks natural. So we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do my hair and we'll be right back. Pookabears, this is the final look. I hope you love it. It's a great look for spring. It's nice, natural, it has a lot of pinks in it. I absolutely love this look. This is actually one of my favorite looks to do in general. And since I'm not going anywhere, I'm staying in the house because we're quarantined. I just put a fun half up, half down do because I'm just going to be hanging around the house. But I love this look. Tell me what you think. Comment below. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And just kind of let me know what other looks you want to see. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below right there so you can see anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys. Love you.